Welcome back, boys. I'm here. Hope you're doing great and having best trades. Let's start this week analysis and see what's gonna happen on this week. We always start with DXY. This is our last prediction. We predicted if we have a Fiji on a 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame on this for uh, our time frame Fiji we kind of long, but because we didn't have a chalk on a 1 hour and 30 minutes, so we didn't enter long. So let's start analyze this week. As always, we start with daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are bullish because this is our um, higher low, higher high, another higher low, and higher high. So we are bullish. Looking for buys, and on the 4 hour time frame, we are also bullish because this is our last uh, mm, higher low, and this is our last higher high. So when we close below it, as you can see with this candle, we close below it, so we became bearish. But and then after that we close below this structure too with this candle, so this will be our new lower low, and this is our new lower high. But after that we close above it with this candle, so we became bullish. So this is our new higher low, and this is our new higher high. So we are bullish on 4 hour time frame within this great order block here on this Fiji. So we are looking good for buys, and on 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we are also bullish, and we are within this Fiji. So I'm waiting because the 1 hour structure and the 4 hour structure is the same as this area. So I'm looking for extra confirmation. How? By having uh, a chalk on a 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes we are bearish, as you can see, and no, we became bullish. This is our last lower high, and this is our last lower low. So with this candle, we closed above it, so we became bullish, and so we can enter long uh, with this order block here. Let me Okay, with this order block we can enter long, especially with this within this, because this is our last order block, and we needed to grab the liquidity of it. So we could enter long, but because the government shut down and other things happened, and we didn't have the liquidity to have a push upside. So probably if we have a push upside and have a close above this structure, we can enter long on a pullback. Or the other scenario would be if we didn't have a push upside and we had a push that downside, we are waiting for a new truck here and enter long with this pullback, and our TP will be a new high on 4 hour time frame first TP, and our final TP is new high on the daily time frame on DXY. So we're moving to the XAUUSD. XAUUSD, this is our last prediction, last week prediction. We predicted if so this is clearly fucking very bullish. So we are looking for buys. But we anticipated if we have a push to the downside, we can enter long. But we didn't have a push to the downside, so we didn't enter long. On this week we started with always daily time frame, just bullish, and I don't know what is going on. On 4 hour time we are also bullish. Oh no, we are bearish because this is our last uh, swing low, and this is our last lower higher low. So we are closed below it, as you can see with this candle. So as long as we are in this area, we are bearish. So if we have a closed above this above this structure and having new ETH, we can enter long with pullbacks. uh, we need to see if we have a pullback we can enter long. So this is almost nothing on XAUUSD, just bullish. You can just look for buy and make ton of money. On the on the Euro USD, no, yeah, Euro USD. On the Euro USD, this is our last week prediction. We predicted to the perfection. We were here. We anticipated we can have a push the upside and then probably push the downside and then we truck and then go to the upside. But we didn't have a push the downside except on Tuesday with the news. But because we had a chalk before push downside, because we close above the structure here, so we became bullish. So we didn't need to have a push the downside anymore. So we could enter long in these areas. So let's pick this week analysis. So on daily time frame, as you can see, we are bullish because this is our last higher low, and as long as we are we didn't close below it, so we are bullish. But on daily time frame, as you can see, we are having massive shadows here, and we don't really have a good push the downside upside. So we can anticipate it. Probably we need to grab new liquidity, and on otherwise on DXY we are anticipating we are bullish on USDJPY 2. We can anticipate on the euro we can have a push it downside and grab new liquidity below this liquidity that we grab on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, as I told you, we are bullish. But as you can see, because of the lack of the volatility, we didn't have so on this week we didn't have so many moves. We were on range, so we grab the liquidity above this structure here and then have a push to the downside and grab the liquidity below this structure, and probably we can have a push to the upside and then grab the liquidity above it and then have a push to the downside and grab the liquidity of this order blocks here. So probably we can have a push to the upside, grab the liquidity and then have a push to the downside. And on the last pair, USDJPY. On USDJPY, this is our last week. Let me see if I saw. This is our last week prediction. Like USDJPY, we anticipated if we have a chart on a 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame on this order block, we can enter, but we didn't have a chalk, so we didn't enter long. So let's analyze this week, and on daily time frame we are bearish, and that's not good. It's not fucking good. It's not good, and so because but this is a mistake that we are bearish. We are bullish. Why? Because this is our last structure here. As long as we are in this area, we didn't close below or above it, we are bullish. So because we didn't close below above it or below it, so we are bullish. On 4-hour time frame, we are bearish so clearly. This is our structure. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, probably another lower low. Who knows? So on daily we are bullish, on 1 hour, 4 hour we are bearish. So on 1 hour time frame, this is very important. On a 1 hour time frame, we are bullish. Yeah, we are bullish. Grab the liquidity below this on and grab liquidity of this FPG. Yeah, this sniper thing here, and so probably we can have a push to the upside, but it's too risky to enter long because 4 hour time frame is looking bearish, massive bearish. So we can enter long within if On the 4 time frame, we change our structure to bullish. We can enter long on the pullbacks on valid order blocks or refugees on 1 hour time frame. So on the 4 time frame, once we need to have a push upside probably, or if we didn't have a push upside, we can have a push downside and grab the liquidity of these order blocks here, and then have a chalk on a 4 hour time frame, and then enter long on pullbacks. We need to see what's gonna happen and what's gonna give us the market. This is our scenarios. So in conclusion here on DXY we are looking for buys. On this week we are bullish on the gold. We are bullish. There is nothing to say here. On the USDJPY we are bullish though, and you're looking for buys. But this USDJPY is risky though, because the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame is bearish. So you're looking for change the market structure on 4 hour time frame. On a Euro USD, looking for sell because daily is bullish, and this is also risky, but not riskier than USDJPY, because on this time thing on 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame we will be bearish to enter long short. And it is better to enter with 1 hour and 4 hour time frame structure than 1 hour time frame and daily, because this 1 hour and daily is like the difference between them is too long, and 1 hour and 4 hours is the connection is much stronger. So looking for sell on the Euro USD though. So make sure to subscribe it on my channel, and we will start a new channel, a new 10K account that I will share my trades for free on my Telegram, and the link of Telegram is on the description, on the bio, and everywhere. So you can copy my trades and pass the phase 1, the phase 2, and have a payout. The last challenge I passed the phase 1, phase 2, and couldn't get a payout because I broke my trading plan. But this week, next week, I'm gonna start a new challenge. Make sure you turn the notification to uh, have a new every week videos on this time, and keep going. Patience pays all the time.